Hey guys, video service information here. Today we're looking on a 2018 Jeep Trailhawk 4x4. It's got the 2.4 engine, automatic transmission. Vehicle's got around 71,000 miles on it. Looking at the prior history, the customer was complaining that the transmission was shifting erratic around 70,000 miles. Said the vehicle hesitates into gear and slips. So we scanned for diagnostic trouble codes and found a P1D92 00 code, which is a incorrect gear ratio clutch 4 defective. On the road tests, did verify that it was slipping in 4th gear. You can see here, this is the code. I'll get it highlighted so you guys can see it. Right here. P1D92, which is an incorrect gear ratio code. Didn't see any leaks on the transmission. Everything was dry on the undercarriage. Possible causes that causes code is a low transmission fluid. The fluid was full. Drained a sample of the transmission fluid, but did notice it was dark. And I don't know if you can see here, it's got a little bit of debris in it. Here up in the corner. This fluid is supposed to be almost like a clear varnish, what it looks like when it's new. Looking back at the prior service history, never seen any records of the transmission being serviced. Fluid's been changed or anything like that. Chrysler recommends around 60,000 miles for a fluid change on this transmission. If you are wondering, this transmission is the 9-speed. It's the 948 TE transmission. So with that being said, this particular shop, they don't rebuild transmissions for the 9 speeds. According to Chrysler, there's no parts available for this transmission. The only one thing that is available for it is the valve body. But with the transmission fluid looking like this, and this is a reoccurring code, most likely we get internal clutch damage. So the recommendation is going to be to replace this transmission. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I put a new video up. Have a nice day.